Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Automation with Arnab. Hello, I am Arnab. Hope you guys are doing very well and Happy New Year to everyone. So today I will discuss about weights. Okay, so weights is one of the very key feature and key and important feature of Selenium. If I am opening the documentation of Selenium, here they have given the definition and what it is and how we can implement that one. So you can read that one. So what it is actually, so we can say that the web platform, the browser, we can say that has an asynchronous nature. Okay, so WebDriver, as here you can see that in the real time what happened, that we cannot say, or WebDriver cannot control the thing that how long it will take to load the page. Okay, so it's not in our hand, or it's not in WebDriver can decide that one. Okay, so it depends. So that's why sometimes what happened, that when we try to find that element or do an operation on any element, we cannot find, WebDriver cannot find that element. Not we means that WebDriver cannot, it's not able to find that element. So we are getting the error that no such element exception or error, you can say. To avoid that one, Selenium has three different options, means that weights. Okay, so first is explicit wait, second is implicit wait, and third one is fluent wait. Okay, so we will learn one by one. So first start with the explicit wait. So what it is, by the definition it says that explicit waits are available to Selenium clients for imperative procedural language. They allow your code to halt program execution or freeze the thread until the condition you pass it resolve. Okay, so explicit wait is that explicitly we are saying, we are giving one condition, till that condition doesn't pass, it will hold, it will freeze the thread, or it will hold the program execution, but not for the infinite time. We will give the time, till that time it will hold the program. Okay, and it will give the browser to load the element actually. Okay, so it has different type of conditions, we can say. Okay, so in the code how you can implement that. So this is the way we can implement that one, and you can say that what I am doing, that in these 4 lines I will not again repeat. If you doesn't have any idea, you are seeing my video first time, please go through the other parts, the part 1 where I have explained that how you can declare the WebDriver, and why I am not declaring the WebDriver in the convenient, not convenient, I must say that in the old way till the Selenium 3. This is the new way to declare the WebDriver. Okay, so here you can say that in the line number 27, what I have creating, that I am using WebDriver wait. Okay, inside the WebDriver wait I am passing two different thing. One is that WebDriver object, and second is that time. Okay, the duration. This is also new in Selenium 4. Okay, if you have you know that how to implement in Selenium 3 or Selenium 2, this is different here. Okay, you can pass directly the duration. Okay, and dot, here I am giving that I have, as per the documentation, the expected condition. What is the condition? How I am doing that? If I am making this one same line like this, new WebDriver wait, means that it is creating a new new type of WebDriver wait object by creating this one. Okay, and directly dot that I am calling that particular method, that is until, and inside the until I am giving that particular condition. What is the condition? Expected condition dot element to be clickable. I will wait till the element. What is the element? It will directly, the element we can declare by XPath, by ID, we can identify it by the locator strategies. Okay, using that locator strategies, it will wait till 10 seconds. That's time I have given, means that it will hold the execution or the program. Okay, or it will freeze the thread, the programming thread, till this condition meet. Okay, till it will meet, and after 10 seconds it will try to find this one. If then also it will not able to find that one, so what it will do, it will give the exception that it is not able to find that element. Okay, So first we will run this one. Let's see what happened. If it is fine, what it is means that you are waiting. If manually what we are doing, if we are opening a web page and till web page loaded fully, we are waiting. This is the same thing. We are giving a time in the program, writing with the condition that okay, until and unless we are seeing this element, or we will wait till that particular button or a link to be clickable, it will wait, or till that message in the web page or a particular text we will not see that message, we will wait. That's the thing actually, nothing but it's nothing like it sounds like oh my god, how we can implement that one. The new people who are working in automation and Selenium, and sometimes I have seen that who have experiences, but they are a bit confused with the these weights actually, where we can use explicit wait, where we can use implicit wait. But it's very simple. Explicit wait means that explicitly we are giving a expected condition for a particular element. When you need to you have a situation like that, you have to use the explicit. Okay, now I am running this program and let's see what happened. Waiting, and it gives us no, it is not able to find this one. So I have given this purposefully, and here you can say that it tried for 10 seconds. Okay, till 10 seconds it tried, that expected condition failed. Okay, it is waiting for this particular element, but it not able to find that element. Now I am changing this one to H3 and try to run. It's able to find that one, that's why there is no error. Okay, this is for explicit wait, how you can implement explicit wait. This is the line how we can implement explicit wait. If you guys have any doubt on explicit wait, please do a comment on this video. I'll try to resolve that. Next is that implicit wait. Okay, first we can go to, okay, before that one, there are list of expected condition for implicit wait. This is the list that alert is present or not, element selection state to be. This list I will give in the video description so that it can helpful for you guys. Okay, so next is that implicit wait. The second type of wait is that distinct from explicit wait, called implicit wait. By implicitly waiting, wait driver pulls the DOM for certain duration when trying to find any element. Okay, any element means when you are giving the implicit wait, so it doesn't mean for any particular expected condition, whenever it will not able, and it is applicable for all the element which we are writing, we are using, we are giving with the any kind of locator strategy in our code. So it is applicable for all the element. So suppose you are giving an implicit wait like this. This is the way we can implement the implicit wait, that driver.manage .timeouts .implicitly wait, and inside this one you have to mention the time. You can, here I have given that 10 seconds. This is also this way of giving the time, the unit, actually time unit, how long it will wait, that duration. That this is a new thing in Selenium 4. Okay, you guys can see that this is a duration class. Okay, okay, let's go now, let's continue. Okay, so here I have in the code, you guys can see that there is nothing specifically written like this, like the explicit wait there is the particular condition or nothing. So this implicit wait is applicable for all the element, all the thing, all the operations we are doing in the Selenium. Okay, that's why it is declared in the top level. You can declare before launching the browser or after launching the browser also. Okay, but try to implement this one before writing any code actually, like any element, try to find any element, to locate any element, or any kind of operations on the element. Okay, so that it is implemented applicable for all the, as I mentioned, that for any element means all the element, as you can see in the documentation also. Okay, so what happened, that suppose let's run this code, then I will show you the example. Here also purposefully I have given the h4 so that it will not able to find that one, but it will wait for 10 seconds. Till it will wait, it will hold the program, that it hold that, okay, after 10 seconds we maybe find this element. Oh, sorry, I didn't. It is trying. It halts a program. Here you will not able to see anything. Failed. Okay, but it doesn't fail immediately, it wait for some time, then it failed. Okay, so you can see that no such element exception it has given, but it halt for some time. If you guys can see here, if suppose I am commenting out this line, so there is no implicit wait, and again I am running this code, so what will happen? You can see that immediately you get the error that it is not able to find, it doesn't wait for any time. Okay, so this is the way, that's why it is implemented for all the elements. I didn't give any specific condition or hold time for this one. Okay, but still it's wait, when the implicit wait was there, it waits for that particular element. Now I am correcting this element, but what I am doing, that I am making false this element. Okay, so it will not able to find this particular XPath. Let's see what will happen. See, it is not failing immediately, it is waiting for time, sometimes in 10 seconds, till 10 seconds it will wait, after that it will fail. Now it's failed. Okay, so I think you guys understand this one. This is pretty easy for everyone. So when you are giving the implicit wait, it's applicable for all the elements. Okay, it does. And one more thing, you can use implicit wait and explicit wait together. Okay, there is no hardcore rule or anything that you cannot use these two together. Okay, last one is the fluent wait. Fluent wait is almost same like explicit wait, but there is a big but is there. So what is the but? What is that? You can see that in the line number 56, a long thing. What? This. So what it is? Fluent wait. So fluent wait is like explicit wait, but there is a big but that as mentioned that. So here when we are declaring fluent wait, so we will give a certain time, like here that I have given 30 seconds, it will wait till 30 seconds. But in explicit wait, what happens that if I am giving a time of 10 seconds or 20 seconds or 30 seconds, so it will hold the execution till 30 seconds, till that particular duration. But for fluent wait, what it will do, we will give a polling every time with a particular timeline. Like here the total amount of time is 30 seconds, but the polling time is 5 seconds. Means that each and every 5 seconds it will try to find that element. It will not hold the execution till 30 seconds. In each every 5 seconds it will try to find that element. If it is find the element, then it will resume the program. Okay, it will not wait till 30 seconds. Because why? Because so this is very important for new age applications like React applications or Angular applications or Flutter applications, such like that. These are the examples I have given. Okay, so what happens sometimes that we hold in manually, what we can do that we can see and okay, this element has been loaded, so we can now proceed with our work. But for program, it is if you are giving a freezing a thread, so it will hold for that particular time, whatever the time you have given. But unnecessary, sometimes it is taking more time to complete the full execution. Okay, so that's why this Fluent Wait is coming to the picture. So you can give the wait. So when you are very uncertain about the loading time, okay, so sometimes it's loaded within 10 seconds, sometimes it's loaded within 5 seconds, sometimes it's taking long time like that 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 45 seconds. So you can give the timeline for the particular element to be loaded that till 50 seconds, but in every 5 seconds or every 10 seconds it will try to check the element. If it is able to find that element, it will resume the program. For this kind of situation you can use the Fluent Wait. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt on this one, just do a comment also for this one. Let's try to run this example. So for this one I have using a particular Selenium or HTML code where I am purposefully waiting a element to be visible after some time, so that you guys can understand that one. Okay, you guys can see that after some time OK button get displayed, but it is still not able to find because it's halting the program. Still able to find the program, but every 5 seconds it is trying to try to check that this particular element is available or not. Now it's not able to find, that's why it's thrown that exception. Okay, it's not able to find. But when I am running this one for first 2 times, it is able to find that OK button, so that's why it is giving that OK. Because still I am hiding that one, but still it is able to find in the DOM. That's why it's showing that okay, we are able to find. That's why it's showing that okay, we are able to find that one. Okay, so this is the way. Okay, so implement Fluent Wait. So this is the main 3 very important thing of Selenium, and I have already mentioned that these the wait features. Okay, if you guys have any doubt, okay, or any question on this one, I will give this code in the video description, so that these 3 functions, so that you guys can implement that one. And if you have any doubt, as I mentioned earlier also, please do a comment on this video. I'll try to reply back to you guys. Okay, thank you.